In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix links not working on Facebook. So if links are not working on your Facebook, there might be various reasons behind it. The first thing that you can do is simply open the Facebook. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the menu. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. Find this option for preferences. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for media. Tap on it. Now you can access the settings related with media over here. What you have to do is scroll down. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for open links in external browser. If you enable it, links shared in messages will open externally. So simply check this box. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch Open App Library of your device. Find the application for Facebook and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to access the app information of Facebook. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Once you do that, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. Manage space, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now, once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Facebook app and install it again. After you do that, try opening the link and it will be opened. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix links not working on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.